Last time, a user mentioned that after long-term use, the BMCU can start making a squeaking noise, kind of like a mouse. It can get really annoying. We happen to have a unit here with the same issue, so let's take a look at how to fix it. After taking the extruder apart, you'll need to apply lubricant to several areas: the inner walls, the gears, and the bushings. Once everything is lubricated, reassemble the unit. Let's test it. And yes, the squeaking noise is gone. Alright, repair complete. If you want to learn more about fixing common BMCU issues, make sure to follow me.